टेररिज्म के अगेंस्ट में कुछ हो, हमारी कंट्री कर रही है और मेरी सिस्टर उसको उसकी ब्रीफिंग कर रही है, अच्छा लगता है।
That's Sofia Qureshi's sister, Dr. Shaina Sunsara, her twin. When Colonel Sofia Qureshi stood before the nation during Operation Sindhur's military briefing, she wasn't just representing the Indian Army. She was carrying forward a family legacy of military and national service that stretches back more than 150 years.
जब औरतों के साथ जो गलत हुआ है उसका बदला एक औरत ले, उससे बेहतर कोई मोमेंट नहीं है।
Her great-grandmother reportedly fought in the 1857 revolt. Her grandfather is said to have served as a religious teacher in the army. Her father, Taj Muhammad Qureshi, fought in the 1971 Indo-Pak War and served in both the BSF and EME Corps. For the Qureshis, national service isn't just a calling, it's tradition.
वो बचपन में थे, मेरी दोनों बेटियां ट्विंस हैं, तो बहुत शौक था कि मेरे पापा, मेरे दादा सब लोग हैं आर्मी में, तो अब रहेंगे। उनकी दादी भी कहानी सुनाती थी अपनी, तो बोलती मैं बड़ी होंगी तो मैं भी आर्मी में जाऊंगी।
Her twin sister Dr. Shaina Sunsara is a star in her own right, an economist, national level shooter awarded by the President of India, fashion designer and former army cadet. She won Miss Gujarat, Mrs. India Earth 2017 and Miss United Nations 2018 and was awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for her work in fashion. Sophia, born in 1974 in Vadodara, Gujarat, completed her masters in biochemistry before joining the army in 1999. In 2006, she was deployed to the Democratic Republic of Congo as UN military observer, where she risked her life to reunite a kidnapped child with her parents. She went on to serve 6 years in UN peacekeeping. In 2016, Colonel Sofia Qureshi became the first and only Indian woman to lead a contingent at the multinational military exercise Force 18 and earn the Chief of Army Staff's Plaque of Honor. In 2020, she was recognized in landmark Supreme Court judgment on gender parity in the army, helping pave the way for women in senior leadership roles. Sofia is married to fellow army officer Tajuddin Bagewadi. The couple had a love-cum-arranged marriage in 2015. She is currently posted in Jammu while he serves in Jhansi. Together, they are raising an 18-year-old son preparing to join the Indian Air Force, the fourth generation in uniform.